Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is John Jardine and I will be showing you how to apply the OneUI theme to your XPages application. For those of you who are curious, I'm using Lotus Notes and Domino version 8.5.2 and will be testing my XPage on Firefox 3.6. Alright, so let's get started. Over here I have a very standard timesheet XPage. And I'm using a couple of various fields over here, a button, a view panel, tabs, and over here I have a name picker which I grabbed from the XPages extension library. It is the only control that I've grabbed from the XPages extension library, so everything else that you see over here gets shipped with Domino. So if you preview this in the browser, you'll see a very basic looking page. However, I must admit that it's still pretty neat compared to what the environments I used to coding previously, which was Domino. This offers a very standard look and feel, but still a very neat look and feel. So all we need over here is to add a little bit of spice to this X page. Another thing that also bothered me was the extension library control, the name picker. Fantastic functionality. Also has a very standard dialog window, which was one of the first things that I felt, oh no, now we need to get this right. But the good news is that with the help of many out there, as well as a little bit of personal trial and error, I managed to find where one can actually apply the OneUI theme. Now, the one inside the help file, you'll even see that the OneUI theme is mentioned. Unfortunately, they don't mention how to implement it or how to apply it in your X page. A lot of specialists out there also seem to not understand what it is I was trying to achieve over here. But that's neither here nor there. The important thing is that I did find a way to actually get this up and running. And what you need to do is in your XPages application, double click on the application properties over here, which will open up this window. If you go to the XPages tab, you will see on top that there is a theme default section. You will also see that server default is the default application theme. If you click on the list, you'll also notice that there are no other options. Now, bear in mind that my Notes installation is very standard. I haven't created any kind of custom themes whatsoever. For all intents and purposes, I'm still a beginner as we know it. So if you preview this server default here is giving you this look and feel that we see on the browser. So after a bit of playing around, I took a chance and actually typed in OneUI. And by saving this and previewing it on the browser, again, I noticed immediately that there was a change in the look. There was a little bit of a fade happening here at the back. The tabs were changed over here. The button looks nice, but obviously the name picker didn't have the look that I was going for yet. But I got excited at this point because this is where I wanted to be. I wanted to know that there was a default style that I could use and apply and work and build on top of, instead of just having a very plain no style environment. Alright, so the good news is that with version 8.5.2 of Lotus, they actually brought out OneUI v2. And if I apply this here in the application theme and preview it in the browser, you will see that the theme changed completely. I missed the fading a bit, but I must admit everything else looks quite nice. I definitely appreciated what they were trying to achieve over here as a standard look and feel. But the part that got me very excited was clicking on the name picker. I mean, take a look at that dialog window. Just so much better than what it looked like previously. So I hope that everyone got the message I was trying to give over here, which is applying the OneUI or the OneUI v2 theme. You get a basic style that you can build on top of. There's definitely a lot to learn going forward, but this is definitely also a step in the right direction, and I hope this proved valuable to everyone out there. So thank you very much.